Hi, I'm Marcy Bailey with Bailey's Fine Jewelry, and today we're going to be talking about our Bailey's Engagement Ring Try-On Kit. We created this unique engagement ring try-on kit so that you can get the Bailey's concierge level experience from the comfort of your home. The process is simple. First, go to our website, baileybox.com, to customize your kit. You choose 3 engagement rings with your desired stone shape, setting, and metal color from hundreds of possibilities. We have everything from a classic round brilliant in a cathedral setting to a modern bezel set emerald cut. All of our sample engagement rings feature a 1.5 carat center stone and a finger size 7. Once you've chosen your 3 engagement rings, we'll send them to you along with all the essentials. Each of our engagement ring try-on kits comes with 3 wedding bands that you can use to stack with your engagement rings. Our favorite bridal shade of nail polish, Baby Take a Vow by OPI, and a ring sizer so you can measure your perfect size and some engagement ring resources. When you receive your kit, it's time to play dress up. Try on all of your engagement rings alone, stack them with a band or 2, and wear them around. Try them on with your PJs and in your finest dress, in low light and direct sunshine. Use your kit to really experience wearing your rings. We love the idea of inviting your friends over for a girls' night, painting your nails, and trying on the rings to your heart's content. Don't forget to snap pics to send to your special someone, your mom, and everyone else. After 7 days, it's time for you to send your sparkle back. Place your rings back in the box and seal it up with the provided prepaid shipping label. The nail polish, ring sizer, and resources are yours to keep. Once we have received your chosen rings back, safe and sound, we will apply the initial $100 cost of the kit to your account so that you can use it towards your engagement ring purchase or any other sparkle that may catch your eye. When the time comes to get engaged, we'll create your dream ring in fine metals. All of our engagement ring try-on kit rings are part of our beloved collection, available in 14 karat white or yellow gold, and can be set with any diamond that you choose of any size. Our Bailey's Engagement Ring Try-On Kit is the perfect solution for those who might be torn between a couple of engagement ring styles, those who are short on time, those who aren't close to a Bailey's location, or anyone looking for a more hands-on engagement ring shopping process. Visit the link below for more information or to build your kit. And as always, let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below.